Hello children, in today's lesson we are going to learn the plural they noms, means how to make the plurals. Do you know how we make plural in English? Yes, by adding s or es at the end of the noun. Say in French also there is few rules. Number 1, plural with no change, means when noun is ending with s, x and z, then there will be no change in the noun, only article will be changed. The second rule is by adding s. As all we know, when we add s at the end of noun, it become plural, like boy become boys in English. Same way in French also, when we add s at the end, it become a plural. Now, third form is plural with aux, means when noun is ending with al or ail, then we need to remove al or ail from the end of the noun and add aux in place of al or ail. Then it become a plural. As you know, exceptions are always there. That's mean when we remove al and add aux at the end, it become a plural. Exceptions. Always remember, definite article la lays is changed to lays and indefinite article ayun change into des. When we add les, it become a plural of our definite article, and when we add des, it become a plural of indefinite articles. Now look at the exceptions. A is become a days and there is only add s at the end of the noun. A yun is become a des as a plural and al is remain same with ending of s and to become a plural. Exceptions are always there. You all have to learn these exceptions by heart. Now fourth point is plural with aux,eux and aux. When noun ended with eau, eu or ou, then we have to add x at the end of the noun and it become a plural. But we always need to change the article. Exceptions are always there. Means we just need add x at the end to become a plural. No need to change anything. As we all know, exceptions are always there, but article will always change. So you all have to learn these exceptions by heart. Hope you all understood the concept of plural. Now we move to our next concept of adjective. Do you know what is adjective? Yes, the describing words are called adjectives. How we describe something? By their colors, shape, weight, size and nationalities. Yes, the describing words are called adjectives, and how we describe them? By color, shape, size, weight and nationalities. As we all know, when we add e at the end of the masculine, it becomes a feminine. Means if we add e at the end of any noun, it become a feminine. Like these examples. Masculine become feminine after adding e at the end of the noun. In second form, when the adjective is ended with e in masculine form, then it remains same in feminine. Means if the noun is ended with e, then it becomes same in its feminine form also. Third, when the adjective is ending with eau in masculine form, then we add to remove eau from the end of the adjective and add e double e in the place of eau to make it feminine. Some irregular adjectives are made feminine by doubling the final consonant and adding an E to make them feminine. Just doubling the consonant and add an E at the end of the noun. Now let us learn how we make adjective plural. First form, normally we make adjective plural by adding s. Second, plural is remains same by at the ending s, x and z. Plurals are remain same if they end with s, x and z. Always remember these things. Now last one is when we formation of plural by adding x to the adjective ending with eau. Previously we learned how to make them feminine. Now we learn how to make them plural. If eau is the noun, then we have to add x at the end to become a plural. And as all we know, exceptions are always there, so you have to learn these exceptions by heart. Now next is, this is the adjective chart. You all have to learn the chart with their meanings. Hope you all understood the chapter. For the better understanding, listen this video and watch this video again. Bye for now. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home.